Hello friends, so in this lecture we will take a look how we can use this rounded rectangle tool to create some rounded rectangles. Okay, and as you can see that it's located here. So initially you will see like this, okay, and just here inside this rectangle tool you will see an arrow, which means that there are some other tools which are hidden here. In order to see those tools, you need to just click and hold. That's it. And you will see here the rounded rectangle tool. So just select it by clicking it. Now let's come here, and again, like a rectangle tool, you can create rounded rectangles in two ways. One is just by coming at any point in your document and click and start dragging. See, and again, just like your rectangle tool, you can provide the fill color and a stroke color. Let's increase the stroke width. Okay, and what's the second way? Remember, click at any point. That's it, and this window will pop up. Now if you have ever wondered that what is a rounded rectangle tool, what's the difference between rectangle tool and rounded rectangle tool? Well, in this rounded rectangle tool we have a corner radius. So width is there, height is there, just like our rectangle tool, but we have an additional field, that is corner radius. This corner radius is this radius. See here, a curve. This is the radius. If you increase the radius, this curve will increase. Let's take a look. So currently this one was 12. Let's make it say 50. Oh my god. Let's click on OK and see. See, the roundness has increased, isn't it? Now let's again come here, click at a point, and this time let's make it say around 5 point. Now click on OK and see, it's really very small, right, the roundness. Okay, so again we have seen two ways by which we can create a rounded rectangle. Now in our next lecture we will see how we can create a rectangle and a circle. Yes friend, circle, just by using the rounded rectangle tool. Excited? Well, me too. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.